Rest.
So VIX, we're still within the range. We're still within the consolidation of look for sales, or you simply wait for the break of the range. So in between a range, you simply be scalping there. Roughly, I'm still expecting the break to gap down. So going down to lower time frames, you're simply looking for scalping opportunities. I have this trend line on the 4-hour. I have this 4-hour trend line. Once it breaks above here, I'm looking for P2 negative 27, TP3 negative 61.8. That is what I'm looking forward to on the VIX. Right, on our time frame. So the break there, the break above this counter trend line, one can actually start buying the VIX. One can actually start buying the VIX. Once the market is the break above there, one can actually start buying the VIX. Right, this is what I'm looking forward to. This is something that I'm looking forward to. Once we break above there, we'll get our buys for the VIX. Let's look at the crash and booms. Crash and booms. Right, crash 300. Just a quick one. Crash 300. Market has been falling. Market has been bearish, as you can see. We've been a bearish market, and so far we are on a level of support, which is this level here. That's a support area. That's the support area. So zooming in, I'm just zooming in to look at market structure. Its structure being broken. That's where one can actually start to expect major buying opportunities. But so far, market has been bearish, as you can see. Here I'm having that resistance there, which happens to be a previous lower low. So I have that level and this level as well. Those are the two levels that I'm looking at right now for crash 300. Once it manages to break, this could just be bullish. Once it breaks here, gives me something like this. That's when we can start to be comfortable with buying the crash 300. And this for selling, we're only at it as established here. That is where we'll sell. So below here, it sells below this zone. We will look for selling opportunities. Right, like that. And then above this zone, potential buys above there. Like this. So this is what we're looking at on crash 300. Nothing much to talk about. That is what we're looking at on crash 300. Moving on to crash 500. Crash 500. Crash 500. Right. This is crash 500. In a bullish market, we have been in a bullish market. The peak of that bullish market is this level here. That level there, of which it doesn't reach that level. That's the peak of the previous. It's actually previous swing low high, according to how it was moving. Low high, low low, low high, low low, low high, low low. So somehow it can come there, or it might even not come there overall on a higher time frame perspective. We also can draw channels. We also can draw channels just to see how it has been moving. You realize that we have this channel here, this downward channel here that was broken. We're in this major downward channel, right major downward channel, broken here, broken. So somehow on this zone here it broke. On this zone where it broke the channel, we can have a possible. The market can even come all the way back there before and proceeding up. That is just a high time from buyer's perspective, but let's zoom in and see what is currently taking place. So zooming in, you realize that we have this trend line as well. with this trend line. Also have something like this. So you can play it like this, whereby you have a break and retest like that. That is actually much more clearer like that, whereby you have a break and retest that actually happened, right? So break, retest, then we continue going down. So which areas am I looking at now? I'm looking at this area here, which was a level of, it was a resistance. So now it's still a resistance as well because the market is below resistance, right? Right. These are the levels that I'm looking at. Levels of significance on crash 500. So whenever we fake out like this of a resistance and then come back, what I always expect is a pullback back into the resistance, a rejection, then we take ourselves first target, second target here. That is my current expectation. I'm simply waiting for a pullback back into this resistance, pull back into the resistance, then we take ourselves all the way first target here. That is the analysis for crash 500. Moving on forward to 500. 500 is actually a very, very bullish, choppy bullish market. Choppy, choppy, choppy bullish market. If you ever want to draw a channel, you can also draw a channel. Major trend line there. You can actually come all the way to this trend line. You also see some other minor trend lines that are blocking. Right, like this. So this one is very clear. Very clear. Broke, retest first time, came back the second time. Double bottom like this. Then we go break, retest, maybe something like this. We can have, so boom, 500. This is what I'm saying. I have that major trend line that I drew at the top where the market might want to come and touch. But this one already has been broken, retested, and we have something like a double bottom to kick in, whereby you're having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, fail to break this low, so it's still valid. So right now I'm still expecting a push to the first target, which is the 0%. The 0% is our first target. Once we break the 0%, we're looking forward to the negative minus 20 where we're expecting, which is here. So I want to go down to lower time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So here 4 hour, you can also see something like similar to what we saw on the VIX, whereby you have a counter trend line. Once that is broken, that is where you can actually start buying. So this counter trend line is going to guide for the buys. Wait for the break. Once the break has happened, then you start to buy your boom 500. That is where you start to buy. First target 0%. Right. Moving on to boom 1000. Right. Boom 1000. You can see that we have been there. I also can draw some channels that I'm seeing. I have a major donut channel, major donut channel here, major donut channel, something like what the VIX is presenting, whereby you have a major donut channel, then you're coming from the bottom of the channel, all the way to the what? To the top of the channel. So overall, you can see that boom 1000 it has a room to come all the way to the top of that channel. What we are having. Let's zoom in and see what we're having. This is the 4 hour. You can already see that the market broke the previous what? Previous highs, previous lower highs has broken to make this higher high. Meaning already you can see that a bullish market structure is kicking. Sort of like a bullish order block, or there's one where the market pushed and broke structure, which is here. This is the zone. If we don't get our buys there, we can wait for the break of these highs here. You can wait for the break of those highs here. They can also give you some opportunities, or can also use your Fibonacci point A to point B. You can also use your Fibonacci, whichever level the market establishes support, you can actually start buying from that level. If it doesn't, just in case it doesn't come there, you can still buy based on what you see there on the chart.